Thank you again for choosing Orthopedic Medical Group of Tampa Bay for your upcoming joint replacement surgery. We're excited to help you take the next step toward feeling better. Here are a few important reminders to help keep everything on track for your surgery date. First, please keep note of all appointments scheduled when your surgery was booked. These may include your total joint class, your preoperative visit, and your post-operative follow-up appointments. These visits are a mandatory part of preparing for surgery and recovery, so please plan to attend them. Next, please begin your pre-surgical testing right away if you have not already done so. This usually includes blood work, an EKG, and sometimes a medical clearance from your primary care doctor or specialist. All test results must be received by our office at least 2 weeks before surgery. It is your responsibility to ensure we receive your testing results. Many offices do not automatically send them. We recommend requesting a printed copy at your appointment. You may drop off results at any OMG office or email them to jointreplacement@omgtb.com. If testing is not received 2 weeks before surgery, your procedure may need to be postponed. Patients having surgery at the OMG Surgery Center will receive a text and email from noreply@hstpathways.com asking you to complete your pre-anesthesia questionnaire. Please complete this as soon as you receive it. This helps the anesthesia team review your health history and prepare for your surgery. After reviewing your information, they will contact you to discuss your medications, medical history, and next steps. If your surgery is scheduled at a hospital, you will receive a similar call directly from that facility. Over the next few weeks, our team will also begin working on your insurance authorization and will contact you with any updates or estimated costs. Please make sure you answer these phone calls. If you have any questions, please reach out to our team. We have partnered with Care Credit to offer flexible financing options should you need it. You can apply online or call to discuss your options. We are here to help guide you every step of the way. We look forward to caring for you at Orthopedic Medical Group of Tampa Bay.